If you receive a notice from the IRS, you should not just take the IRS's word that you owe this amount of tax and send it to them. You should enlist the help of a professional, because a lot of times the IRS only goes by what gross amount of revenue they see on the documents. For instance, if you received a notice and said that there were some stock sales that you forgot to include on your tax return, they're going to go by the gross amount of the sale of the stock and say you owe taxes on that amount. They're not going to net out the cost of the stock and figure the tax on that. That's up to you. So it's a good idea to enlist the help of a professional, so you make sure that you're not paying the IRS more tax than you legally owe. I have a client that he sells cookies on eBay. Assuming his gross revenue is $8,000 in sales, and the IRS gets a notice that he had sales of $8,000. They don't have any information about how much it cost him to produce the cookies, the raw materials and the other expenses and selling expenses. That's why you need to make sure that you hire a professional to help fill out the tax return properly, report the income plus the expenses, plus the cost of the raw materials and things, and you only pay tax on the net and not get a notice from the IRS saying you owe taxes on the gross amount.